How's it going, guys? Recently I've got this 4.6 liters V8 Toyota Tundra for pulling our small RV trailer, and before our first trip I decided to drain and fill the transmission fluid. So once you get under the truck, here's your drain plug, and this one is the plug for checking proper transmission fluid level. Never ever take out these plugs until you are certain you can take out the fill plug first, which is located right here on the side of the transmission towards the top, right next to those blue and green wires. You can use 15/16 socket to loosen it. And once you take it out, to be absolutely certain, you should see the letters WS engraved on the fill plug. That is the abbreviation for the world standard, which is the type of transmission fluid that Toyota uses in most of their vehicles. Alright, I hope the video was helpful for you to locate and identify all of the plugs in your transmission. And if so, please give it a like. Thank you. Have a nice day.